I'm here with the owner of Pairfield Pizza and Pints in San Ramon. What separates you different than other pizzerias?
We focus on artisan style pizza and hyper-local breweries on tap here, 24 of them for that matter. So we focus on the crust is the star for us. So we like to really focus on developing a lot of flavor and structure and better digestion for that matter. So it takes 2 days to make our crust so it can deliver all those things. And then we build from there, house-made ingredients and sourcing the right ingredients and the right quantity of ingredients for that matter. So it's a better pizza experience. And so my first job was in the pizza industry, and so this is kind of an homage to that. And where pizza used to be really good, and I feel like it's kind of gone downhill as far as quality and stuff. So this is to bring back pizza to what it used to be, maybe even a little bit more elevated.
Yes, and mean, per our discussion earlier, you were talking about the different breweries that you've connected with also too, correct?
Yes, so I've been all over the Bay Area, sampling so many different breweries, many more than what's on tap right now, and actually had to narrow it down to 24, so they're all within an hour and a half of San Ramon.
Tell us about the 24 that you have on tap right now.
Oh, sure. So the unfortunate news is Das Brew has actually announced that they're closing, so that's exactly what we're trying to prevent from happening and educate the community on what's right here in our backyard and get everybody out to these breweries to support them and keep them open and help them thrive. So a lot of these guys, I mean, Das Brew has amazing IPAs and Kolsch, so it's unfortunate that nobody will be able to experience that anymore. Once they're gone here, they're gone forever. We have Faction from Alameda, we have Shadow Puppet and Altamont from Livermore. And I mean, just so many great breweries that we've just really struggled to narrow it down to 24, and we're constantly rotating too. So we start with having the right kind of styles that we want to pair with all of our food. So we have a nice toy box of things to work with. And then we go and find the breweries that represent that style the best.
Besides pizza, do you have any other dishes that you guys serve?
Oh, sure, yeah. We have little appetizers, and we have 2 signature salads, and our pizzas, we have like 6 signature pizzas, and we let everybody build from there what they want. So we have pizzas that you can build your own, we have salads that you can build your own, but the appetizers, most popular things are sticky fingers wings, which is chicken wings that are tossed in a sweet ginger chili sauce. And then we have our pan fritos, which is fried sourdough bites that we toss with tahini and served with their choice or your choice of 2 different sauces. And all of our sauces are made in-house. The only thing that we don't make is our pepperoni. Everything's made in-house.
I see that you have your indoor here. And do you have any outdoor, or is it pretty much all indoor now?
No outdoor, it's all indoor. Of course, takeout is available as well as delivery. So I think a lot of people like to come and relax and hang out and spend time with their families and enjoy themselves. And we like them to come here too. We want to connect with our community. We want to build meaningful relationships.
That's right, and I see you got the big screen. You guys going to be playing the Super Bowl?
We are playing the Super Bowl. We just played the playoffs on Sunday. We had a great turnout. And the community really seems to enjoy themselves here watching the game.
And I noticed that you guys have this, what's called a happy hour. I love it. Tell us about that.
So happy hour is an opportunity to get people in between 3 and 5 o'clock to have some quick bites and kind of like something to tide them over before they have dinner, or the girlfriends coming out and just hanging out and having a glass of wine and some little bites and stuff. We have fried pickles that we make in-house. We have a pizza, a full-size cheese pizza for $12, so great deal there.
That's a very good deal.
Salads, so it's not just fried foods, it's not just pizza. We also have some healthy options too, as well as what we call a skinny dipper, which is a house-made cauliflower hummus that we serve with a crudité of peppers and cucumbers and an option of tortilla chips if they like.
That sounds delicious. What is your address here in San Ramon, Jeff?
2408 Twin Creeks Drive, 94583.
And what is your phone number here?
Phone number is 925-475-5222.
Now do you also work with any third-party platforms?
We're using DoorDash right now as our delivery platform. And then we also have our website. You can order online. You can have it ready for pickup for you if you wanted to pick up, or you can have a DoorDash.
And what is your website?
Website is pairfieldpizza.com. Operating hours are, let's say Friday and Saturday is 11 to 10. And then on Sundays, Mondays, and Thursdays, 11 to 9.
Awesome. Is there anything else you'd like to say before we go?
No, thank you for the opportunity to interview and talk a little bit and share with the community what we're all about.
Well, we appreciate you, and we'll definitely be supporting you.
Great, thank you.
Take care.